Good morning, dear students. Now, today we will discuss about construction. Okay. So, in this chapter, we will draw lines parallel to another lines and angles. Okay, and also to find some triangles. So, first of all, so see, construct a line parallel to a given line from a point outside it. If एक लाइन ड्रॉ है, ठीक है ना, then you have to draw a line which is parallel to the given line. See, now draw a line xy. Okay, see exercise 15.1. Exercise 15.1 question number 1. So question is, draw a line xy and mark a point M not on it. Okay, first now draw. I have a scale and draw any line. So let this line is x and y. Is it clear? Then says mark a point M not on it. एक हमने कोई पॉइंट ले लिया, जो यहाँ पे हमने ले लिया पॉइंट, कहीं पे भी ले सकते हैं. ये पॉइंट क्या है? M. Is it clear? Then draw a line parallel to xy. xy जो है ना, एकदम इसके पैरेलल हमें क्या करना है? एक लाइन ड्रॉ करना है, ठीक है ना? Then how can you find out the line? Okay, xy is the line is given. See, so now this point take any here F. Now draw this point to any point like this. Any doubt? No. You can draw it easily. Take this one and take this one as a M. Then with the help of compass, okay, here draw an angle. Is it clear? Then again, now here the angle draw to here also. Put here. Is it clear? Now measure. What is the measurement of this one? Measure this one. These things. Again from here. Cut an arc. Cut. Now see, you will get 2 points. One is M and the one is this one. Now make this point both. Now so when you draw this line, then it is parallel to the line. Okay, this is point M and take xy. This is the A and B. Done. So firstly we draw xy. Take any point M on it with and measure the angle. Then same point जो नुकीला सिरा है यहाँ पर खोल कंपास का तेरे कार कर रहा है, फिर इसको ऐसे मेजर किया, हम जितना था यहाँ पर रखे इसका अर्थ है. ये दोनों पॉइंट जो मिले इनको हमने मिला दिया. तो हमने क्या बनाया? एक लाइन xy which is parallel to AB. So xy is parallel to AB. Is it clear? So you will write the construction also. First step, draw line xy. Take a point M outside of xy with the point N. Take an arc, equal arc from point N. Make an arc, measure the angle, cut an arc, meet the point. That is a line parallel to the xy, parallel to AB. Okay, so now draw it. See, next question, question number 2. Question number 2 is draw angle ACB of measure 150 degree. Okay, so first of all we draw a line. Okay, then we have to draw, let this one AC. From C I have a protector, with the help of protector, okay, draw an angle 50 degree. So 50 is here now. Now make this one as a CB. Is it clear? So A, C and B. This one is the 50 degree. Angle बन गया. Next, through X, draw a line parallel to the other arm of the angle. Okay? अब जैसे हमने एंगल जो बनाया है ACB, ठीक है, मार्क द पॉइंट X और CB. CB पे हमने क्या किया, कोई पॉइंट ले लिया, वो क्या है हमारे पास, सपोज करो यहाँ पर हमने क्या ले लिया, X ले लिया. Here is a point X. Is it clear? Then we have to draw a line which is parallel to AC. Same as we have done the previous question. See, measure this one. This one again from that side. Done. Now measure it. What is the value? This one. Cut the arc. Done. Now mark this one. These 2 points. Okay. Then now these, okay, so this is the parallel to AC. Let this point is A, C, B, D and E. Okay, now draw it also, so you can write as a AC parallel to DE. You have to also write the construction also. Is it clear? First, see question number 3. First of all, draw the figure. Okay. Then you can write the construction one by one. Third. See, read the question third. Draw AB and consider a point P not on it through T. Draw XY parallel. Same question as we have solved question number 1 now. Same. Draw AB. Then clearly हम कुछ भी ले सकते हैं वो. AB क्या? Anything we can measure it. A, B. Okay. अब पॉइंट P, कोई एक पॉइंट P ले लिया जो क्या इसमें नहीं है, मान लो पॉइंट क्या है P, यहाँ पे और ऊपर ले लेते हैं, ठीक है ना, ये पॉइंट क्या है P. डन. देन थ्रू P draw XY parallel to AB. Same, made this point. Okay. See. Let this one is a C. Now measure the angle, and this value will change. But when one time I fix it, then we don't change. When I have fixed this one, now I will not change till complete the question. Done. From here, it's opposite side. Okay. Measure the angle. Now you can change the value for measuring. Okay. Put here, make an arc. Done. Simply now meet these 2 points which are parallel to AB parallel to X, Y. सिंपल है ना? अगर सपोज कर आपको कंस्ट्रक्शन लिखना है तो क्या लिखोगे आप? फर्स्ट ड्रॉ AB, then take a point P outside of AB, then take an arc at point C, same take an arc from point P. देखो हमने एक लाइन ड्रॉ किया, पॉइंट पे लिया P, यहाँ पे एक आर्क लिया, सेम वही मेजरमेंट को यहाँ से ऐसे टर्न कर दिया। अब इसको यहाँ से मेजर करोगे आप कितना है ये, सेम यहाँ पर हमने आर्क काट दिया, ये और ये दोनों पॉइंट मिला के हमने कट कर दिया। सो दिस वाज क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. ओके, राइट डाउन, ड्रॉ द फिगर्स. When you know to draw the construction, अगर आप फिगर बना लोगे ना तो लिखने का काम इजी वे में कर सकते हैं, ठीक है ना? क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. Question will draw a line AB, mark a point P at a distance of 6 cm from it to P. Draw a line L parallel to AB. See, draw a line AB. Again, draw a line AB. Then it says that distance from the line is 6 cm. What is the distance? Distance is from 6 cm. Okay. So from here, make a distance from. I have taken some more distance. Okay. I have taken a 12 cm distance. I will assume that it is 6 cm. ये क्या है? 6 cm का डिस्टेंस को हमने चुन किया. ओके, आप स्केल से मेजर करके करोगे 6 सेंटीमीटर, ऐसे देखने से मत पता लगे इतना है. नाउ वी हैव टू ड्रॉ द एंगल विच इज इक्वल. ओके, सो नाउ फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, सी नॉट दिस, draw line AB. Okay, now more than half distance, take an arc. We have to draw a perpendicular line. Okay, is it clear? From point P, or you can draw as a directly with the help of protractor also. Okay, see, you don't have to need the arc, you can draw the with the help of this one. Take a point. What we have to take the point? P, we have taken as a C. Okay, from this point draw a perpendicular here, then 90 degrees here now. Okay, then that is draw 90 degree angle. Done. Now measure the 6 सेंटीमीटर. इसे क्या करो, आप मेजर करो कि 6 सेंटीमीटर कहाँ तक आएगा. ये हो गया हमारा, मेजर कर लो 6 सेंटीमीटर. 6 सेंटीमीटर का लेंथ चाहिए ना हमें. ओके, ये देखिए 6 सेंटीमीटर. नाउ फ्रॉम द पॉइंट सी, ओके, टेक द 6 सेंटीमीटर आर्क. क्या लिया हमने, एक 6 सेंटीमीटर का आर्क ले लिया. डन. Then see, on both sides we have to draw a perpendicular. See, this side on that side also. First draw on that side only. When you have to draw the 90 degree angle, then you will draw like this. Is it clear? So you can draw only one side, then you can find out the parallel line also. Draw these two lines. Okay. Now done. So this is AB, and which is the X and Y, which is parallel to AB. Okay. Now X, we have taken this point as L, because in this question that is given there, and that P point is this one. This is the P point. Okay. Now, so solve this question also. And that is a right angle. Okay, you can draw this one. There will be a lot of methods, different methods to draw the figure also. Now see next question number 5. Question number 5 is draw AB, mark a point P at a distance of 4 cm from through P. Same question. Question number 4 and 5 are same. Okay, so you will draw. See question number 6. Draw line L and mark 2 points X and Y on it. Through these points, draw perpendicular to L. Verify whether the lines through X and Y are parallel or not. Is it clear? So now see question number 6. First we draw a line L and mark 2 points X and Y. It through those draw perpendiculars to L. Verify whether the lines through X and Y are parallel or not. See, in this question, see, question number 6, we have to draw a line L. This one is the L. Then take 2 points, one is X, another one is Y. Now we have to draw the two perpendicular. So simply arc, we have to draw the perpendicular lines. 90 डिग्री एंगल जैसे बनाते हो ना, वैसे ही बनाते हैं. बनते हैं यहाँ पे. Again from that side also you can change the value now. Depend upon change कर भी सकते हो या नहीं भी कर सकते, बट अब चेंज नहीं करना है. 2 आर्क लगेंगे हम. 1 2. Again from that side और फिर यहाँ से. ओके, अब पॉइंट को मिला दो यहाँ से, okay, and also meet this point. Now tell me, these two lines are parallel or not? We have seen this is also 90 degree and this is also 90 degree. X, Y, let this one is a and B. So I think AX parallel to B1. Why? Because the angle X is equal to angle Y is equal to 90 degree, and their sum is also 180 degree, and angle X plus angle Y is equal to 180 degree. So now draw this figure. And also these are the co-interior angle, that's why it is a parallel. Let's see question number 7. In question number 7, draw AB and consider a point P at a distance of 5 cm from it through P. Draw a line parallel to AB. Same जैसे हमने क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 किया था ना, चलो एक बार हम क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 भी कर देते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 इज सेम है जब क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 के जैसा होगा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, 5 एंड 7 सेम है, ठीक है ना. बट अगेन वी विल सी क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. What is given? Line AB. तो ये लाइन दे दिया हमने ये A and B. Is it clear? Then consider a point P at a distance of 5 cm from it. 5 cm पे है ना, तो फर्स्ट एक हमने बीच में कोई एक पॉइंट A B C 1 2 3 ले लिया. यहाँ पर हमने क्या किया, 90 डिग्री का एंगल बनाया. Okay, now take an arc ले लिया हमने. Okay, now meet this point. Now 5 सेंटीमीटर डिस्टेंस, ठीक है ना. देखो कंपास है आपके पास, स्केल भी है. 5 सेंटीमीटर, देखो 5 सेंटीमीटर है ना, ये 1 to 5. इससे क्या करो, मेजर कर लो 5 सेंटीमीटर. दिस एंड दिस वन एज अ 5 सेंटीमीटर. देखो यहाँ पे क्या है, 5 है ना, 1 to 5 हो गया. अब से इसको चेंज नहीं करना, जितना है इतना ही. 5 सेंटीमीटर चल लिया हमने, आर्क ले लिया, डन. अब देखो, अब नाउ अगेन वी हैव टू ड्रॉ अ परपेंडिकुलर फ्रॉम दिस साइड करो या इस साइड में, किसी भी साइड में परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ करो. जैसे हमने किए है ना ये वाला पॉइंट से, यहाँ पे हम फर्स्ट एक सेमी सर्कल बना देते हैं. ओके, आर्क ले लिया हमने. ओके, देन जो एक पॉइंट हमें क्या लेना है, इसमें क्वेश्चन में क्या दिया है, P. सो दिस पॉइंट इज P. P और ये पॉइंट दोनों रहने हैं, यहाँ पे दोनों को मिला दिया हमने. देखो ये वाला और ये वाला दोनों. Okay, so that is a line. Okay, let this line is X and Y. So X Y parallel to AB, and you can write down this is also 90 degree and this is also 90 degree. 90 degree, angle P plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. So XY is parallel to AB. Now draw the figure. Okay, now see question number 8. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8, ड्रॉ अ राइट एंगल PQR. हमें क्या बनाना है? एक एंगल बनाना है जो क्या है? PQR. ठीक है ना? So first of all draw this is Q and R. Okay, now we have to draw a perpendicular now. So from Q make a 90 degree angle, क्या बनाते हैं? पहले यहाँ से सेमी सर्कल बनाएंगे, ये चेंज नहीं करेंगे. फिर यहाँ से फर्स्ट आर्क लिया, अगेन सेकेंड आर्क यहाँ पर रखेंगे, फिर नुकीला सिरा, दैट इज दैट. नाउ बता दो इसको फिर. P. So we have draw PQR. Angle PQR is 90 degree. Okay. Now again question says through N make a point M on QR. QR पे एक पॉइंट हमने ले लिया यहाँ पे M, और कर M से भी हमें क्या बनाना है? परपेंडिकुलर लाइन ड्रॉ करो. ठीक है ना? और देन also show that these two lines are perpendicular to each other. Q आते हैं पॉइंट लिया हमने, अब M पे भी हमें क्या करना है? 90 डिग्री एंगल बनाना है. Then that is also 90 degree. So now here M and M. So angle MQ, that is also 90 degree, and angle Q plus angle M is equal to 180. So that's why पैरेलल होंगे. ओके, सो राइट डाउन. एंड दिस इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. दिस इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. Okay. So now write down and draw the figure and see construction is given. Okay. And suppose that if you had to draw the construction, okay, then you can see the that is written in the book also with the help of one construction you can write down other one. Is it clear? या आप जो जो कर रहे हो वही चीज आपको लिखना है. इसमें आपको अगर आपको कंस्ट्रक्शन लिखना है तो क्या लिखते हैं? फर्स्ट ड्रॉ अ लाइन क्यू आर. Okay, at a point Q make a semicircle, then take 2 arc on that semicircle, then from first arc make an arc and also another arc which makes PQ, and where PQR is 90 degree. Take another point M on QR from M, make a perpendicular line, make a 90 degree angle, and that is MN. Okay, construction complete. Now ये नीचे का आपको लिख देना है फिर. Okay, so exercise 15.1 is done. Next exercise 15.2. So solve, draw this figure.